Do video games correlate with violence in children? To really understand the question, you must know that video games are being blamed for aggression in children, as well as the explanation for some mass shooting and other terrible events. Today, I'm here to inform everyone on that violent video games really do affect the mind of the player, primarily based on the minds of those in the adolescent stage. Here we look at two studies done, one by Stephen Kirsch on April 6, 1997, where he took 52 3rd to 4th graders into a room where half of the children would play Mortal Kombat, a gory, violent game, and the other half would play NBA Jam, a sports game. The results after the study was completed was that half of the children responded completely with negative responses to questions asked, while the other half that played the sports game responded with positive outlooks on everything else. C.J. Ferguson on September 24, 2014, much more recently, looked at the link between video games and the lives of 1,254 7th graders to see if bullying in middle schools correlated at all with violent video games. The result was that video games were not found to be a predictive cause of violence or bullying, and that the cause related more to the environment in which the child grew up in, such as parents and or living style. So what exactly do we know for sure about violence in gaming? Short-term aggression can be contracted from playing too much video games, but no long-term correlation has been found. More studies do need to be conducted before a final answer can be concluded, meaning this topic is still ongoing. Violence in adolescence comes from a child's growing environment, such as parents, school, and area, but no direct correlation to video games has been found. So why is it so hard to know the real answer to the question? Based off the two examples that I used, you can see that many answers differ in case of different studies. Hundreds of studies done over the last 2 decades also differ in their answers overall. So, do video games truly cause violence in children? So what is the answer? Well, there is not enough information yet to determine a final answer for the topic. Some studies point to yes, others no. More factual data and studies need to be done in order for an answer to actuate. Thank you for listening to my presentation. That is all.